Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So hope you all are doing very well. So namaskar to everybody. So today I have come to visit McLeodganj, which is located in Dharamsala in Kangra Valley of Himachal Pradesh. So this is the scenic view of Dharamsala and McLeodganj. So McLeodganj, which is a suburb of Dharamsala in Kangra district of Himachal Pradesh, and McLeodganj, which is known as Little Lhasa, as the Tibetan government in exile is headquartered here, and there is a significant population of Tibetan who is staying here in the region as a refugees along with the Dalai Lama. So Dharamsala, which is located in the Kangra Valley of Himachal Pradesh, which is nested in the shadow of the Dhauladhar range of the Himalaya, which is also a part of the Lesser Himalayan. So Dhauladhar means the white range is mountain range which is part of the Lesser Himalayan chain of mountain. So it is rises from the Shivalik hills to north of Kangra and Mandi. So Dharamsala is at highest altitude of 1457 meter height it is located. So this is the view. I trek of 5 km distance from Dharamsala to McLeodganj, which is an even ropeway is also available here. So these are the some hotels here which are available here, where lots of tourists are coming here and staying in this hotel from across India and across the world also, like mostly Buddhist pilgrims are coming here to visit McLeodganj in Tibetan refugee place. So Dalai Lama temple is most popular temple is here, where I am also going to visit here. So we know about that the 14th Dalai Lama Tenzin Gyatso established the Tibetan administrative in exile when he had fled from Tibet at that time. So this is the scenic view of the Dhauladhar mountain range, which is a part of the Lesser Himalaya, and I love this place, and it is very good for meditations, and you will feel like a Tibet here. So this is the some way we can clearly visible from the here. And from Dharamsala to McLeodganj, which is also connected well by the ropeway. So it is also one of the best place to cover and trek, and it's very greeny, and we can see lots of sidas tree like Devdar tree is visible from the here, and this area is under the protections. So it is a very good place. And before that I have to also visit some places like Chamunda Devi Shakti Peeth, which is also located close to Dharamsala, along with the Jwalamukhi Shakti Peeth. So this is the scenic view of Dharamsala and McLeodganj, and lots of Buddhist stupas are here located in Kangra Valley of Himachal Pradesh. And even Dharamsala Cricket Stadium, which is also located here in India, in Dharamsala in Kangra district, so which is also very great place where I will also go to visit. So this is the view of the Samastupas and Buddhist temple here, where I am exploring on the Dhauladhar mountain range, which is in McLeodganj. So I am also feeling so awesome here after coming, and it is very good place for meditation, and the vibes of this temple is so amazing and so unique. So let's see and feel. So it is a very good experience which I got ever here. And before that I was in Mandi, and before Mandi I was in Manali, and I explored lots of places in Himachal Pradesh, including Shimla, Solan, Kullu and Kalka. Because I came from the Kalka first, I took my bus from Shimla for Manali. From Manali then I took my bus which came from Mandi to Dharamsala and Kangra bus stop. So this is the my experience from here. So once again thank you so much. Namo Buddha.